Hello, teacher. My name is Holmes. I am 25 years old. From Monday to Friday, I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I brush my teeth, wet dress, and have breakfast with my family. Then I go to school because I work as a physical education teacher. In the afternoon, I train with my students and somatic with my football team. I like to practice because it helps my stay fit and improve my skill. In the evening, I study administration at the university, do my homework and watch somatic videos to learn more. Before going to bed, I relax listening to music or watching TV and finally and go to bed at 10:30. Thank you.